Thank you for joining the demo of the Simulated Oral Proficiency Interview, or SOPI. SOPI is a web-based speaking proficiency test. It's computerized on the front end, but all tests are double-rated by human raters. You will access the test via a multi-use URL or a single-use URL. Multi-use links are recommended for proctored testing environments, and one-time use links are recommended for non-proctored testing environments, such as if you're administering the test to candidates in their own homes. Your Berlitz account manager can help you decide what the best format is for your testing situation. However you access the test, the first step will be to create a username and password. It will take about 30 seconds to register for the test. Click Create. We require the username to be in the format of an email. Once you have registered for the test, you will log in and begin your test. Continue to log in. You will now proceed to the device check. The device check is an important part of the test because it will confirm that your microphone is turned on and that the sound is recording on your computer. We want to avoid instances where a candidate has taken the time to respond to the prompts, but when the test is submitted, there's no sound for the raters to score. The device check is quick. Simply record 1 to 2 seconds of your voice, save it, click Next, then play your sound back to you. Simply record 1 to 2 seconds of your voice. You should be able to hear your voice being played back to you. If you can, it's safe to proceed to the next part of the test. You are now ready to proceed to the test. There are a couple of differences between the demo and the live test. The first is in the live test, they will have a quick tutorial video that is about 1 to 2 minutes long that will explain the process of the test and how the items function. Additionally, the live version of the test has a sample item where candidates can practice recording and listening to and re-recording a response so that they're comfortable with the format of the test and how the items function. After they feel comfortable and have spent enough time with the sample item, then they will proceed to the live scored portion of the test. There are 6 items on the scored portion of the test. All items have the same setup. There's a picture on the left, as you see here, and a scenario with a bolded prompt on the right. Underneath that, you will see the amount of think time and the amount of response time. The think time is always 30 seconds, and the response time ranges from 60 to 120 seconds, depending on the level of the item. The timer up here in the corner will let you know what part of the item you are on. When you reach the end of the think time, you will hear a loud beep, and recording of your response will begin automatically. The timer will count down from the amount of time that you have to respond to 0. When it reaches 0, the test will move automatically on to the next item. The timer, when it hits 20 seconds, will turn yellow, and when it hits 10 seconds, it will turn red. Like I mentioned, once you hit 0, the test will proceed automatically on to the next item. Candidates cannot return to re-record responses. When a candidate reaches the end of the test, it will submit automatically into the rating queue. You just saw me click Submit, but that's because I'm showing you the demo version of the test. In the live test, the candidate will not have to click Submit, and the test will automatically be submitted to be scored, and they will see this notification that testing is completed. When you reach the end of the test, it will now enter the rating queue where it will be double rated by 2 human raters. SOPI is not an AI scored test. It is a human scored test. After the test is scored, scores will be available for you to view in the Results Viewer portal. English results are available within 24 hours, and non-English results are available within 2 to 3 business days. Thank you for joining the demo. Please contact your Berlitz account manager with any questions.